Welcome back, everybody. This is our daily agenda for Monday, March 26th. Whoops, this is the 26th, folks. Alright, so for today, for Do Now, we are working on Typing Club, and then we're digging into our digital portfolios. You guys started inputting your assignments last week. These are all the assignments that you should have in your Google Slides digital portfolio template, which is available to you on Google Classroom. I'll show you a little bit more afterwards. So you guys worked on inputting your 30-day writing challenge. Reminder, you're inputting a summary about the assignment/project that you worked on. If you are missing that assignment or project, there's a missing slide template that you're going to answer. You're going to make sure you included a screenshot of the assignment. If it's an assignment like your 30-day writing challenge or your gratitude scavenger hunt, just pick your favorite slide and you can take a screenshot of that, and that's what we will see. And then including your hyperlink. There's a video in our Google Classroom showing you how to hyperlink as well. I've done it multiple times for you guys. Moving on, our Google Slides challenge. So I'm going to show you guys exactly where they're located, so that way you guys aren't like, where is this project, Ms. Ornelas? Don't worry, I'm going to show you. So first of all, you guys know where your 30-day writing challenge is, so we're going to continue on Google Slides challenge. Our Google Slides challenge is located way back January 4th to January 8th. This is what it looks like, and this is what that Google Slides project looks like. Just pick your favorite slide. Name tent activity. This is that same week as well. This is what it looks like. It's only that one slide. Just include it, ladies and gentlemen. Super easy. Your SMART goal. Again, make sure you include the screenshot. I didn't take the best screenshot here. Let me see your entire SMART goal when you guys take your screenshots, okay? But this is located here during February. Your gratitude scavenger hunt, again in February. Just pick your favorite slide. There were a lot of slides for that one. Your final podcast. For these, I want to hear the final audio, so that's what I want you guys to attach, and an image of your script. So when you're hyperlinking or when you're including it, just include the final audio and an image of your final script. So the putting it all together page is really what I want to see. This is all in March to April. Your anagram project. This was really what we worked on from February all the way to March. So this is what it looks like. And then your digital vision board was again back in January. I know it seems like we're jumping around a little bit, ladies and gentlemen, but that's what that is, okay? So I just wanted you guys to be able to see it. And then our exit ticket for today is in 1 to 2 words. What is a goal to focus on for the rest of this semester? I want you guys to know, ladies and gentlemen, as well, you guys are, while you're working on your digital portfolios, part of your digital portfolios will have a little bit of a reflection. So that final reflection, I'm going to have you guys actually record yourselves answering about 2 questions and really just being able to input that video here. I will have a video up next class to show you guys how to put that video in, but there have been multiple video guys showing you guys how to insert any video or audio that you guys have. As always, if you have any questions or you just need some more information, reach out to me, reach out to Ms. Arroyo, and we'll help you guys out. Other than that, I'll see you guys in class.